Hi, and I thought I'd just show you just a quick demo on how I use the Luna Mini. I thought first of all I'd just show you the box it comes in. Clear box with instructions, and here we are is the USB cable. When it first arrives you do charge it. It takes 2 hours, something like that, and the charge, if you used it every day, would last 5-6 months, maybe even more. And here is my Luna Mini. They come in various colours. I wanted a pink one, there we go, that's where you would charge it. Flat bottom, so it's easy to stand up when you're not using it. So, what I would do first is wash my face. I've got a wet cloth here. Also, I do the neck as well. There. Right, so you would take just a pea-size amount of your cleansing product. I tend to use the Luna Mini myself, I would say 3 or 4 times a week. I think for me it's enough. And also on the neck. Now it comes, as you see here at the front, the bumps are smaller than the back. The back one's quite good if you've got large open pores, such as on your nose, and you want to really get in there. And the front, I would say, is more massaging, but still is quite efficient and works quite well. Also, the design is easy to hold, and it's easy to get into the crevices, particularly the nose, and sort of all around here. I wouldn't use on my neck, the back side. I would only use the front, as it's sort of finer, and the same goes and applies with the eyes. I wouldn't use the back part because I think it's just a bit too strong. I would just use just a nice fine gentle massage. So you turn it on, it has 2 settings. That's the higher, that's lower. I always have the higher. So I would just start on just this part here, just to do my nose first. Then, once I've done that, switch it to that side. So I tend to use, I start here, round circular motions. You don't need to press too hard. Don't forget the lips, all into there. And then just by the eyes, just very slowly, and then I might just raise it up slightly, hold on for a second. It's like lovely, it's like having a lovely massage. I tend to find by using the finer side, I really feel, and I can see the lymph all just moving, getting good blood circulation going. Don't forget those parts there. So round circles all the way. Now once you've done that, I then go onto the neck. As I say, just use that side and adjust round again under the chin. So make sure face like glass by the end, and it does allow, gets rid of those, say, the dead skin cells, more easy absorption for the products you're about to put on afterwards. Right, I think that's about it. There we go, quick and easy. And then after that, just rinse my face again. I should actually rinse it in warm water. And then once you've finished using it, then just rinse it in some warm water, and then just make sure it gets right into there, so no bacteria or any nasties, any old cleanser or dead skin cells are in there. Just get it thoroughly rinsed and then just leave it to dry, ready for the next time. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Bye.